Good morning, children. One of you is celebrating your birthday today at 6 pm. Your aunt, one who is living in Mumbai, wants to give a call and wish you at the while you are cutting the cake. Can you think what is the time there while it is 6 o'clock in Bangalore? It is 6 pm only. Why? There is no difference in time in our country. If we go to any state or any place, the time will be the same. But at the same time, if your relative or your uncle who is staying far away from you, it may be in Dubai, wants to wish you while you are cutting the cake, then what will be the time there? It is 4:30 because Bangalore is ahead of 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours. If Bangalore is if it is at 6 p.m. in Bangalore, it is 4:30 in Dubai. Let us take another example. Mr. Jain wants to give a call to his cousin when he is staying in United Kingdom. But before he give a call, he wanted to see the time. Why? Because there is the time differences. But he wanted to give a call to his sister when he is living in Jaipur. But he will not see the time because the time will be same in Pune as well as in Jaipur. But the cousin one who is staying in United Kingdom, the time will be there will be differences in time. That is, India is ahead of 5.5 hours than the United Kingdom. That is the time differences, children. Here, time differences is measured relating to the Greenwich Mean Time. Now, if the green places to the east of the Greenwich Time, and some of the places are to the west of the Greenwich Mean Time. Now, because of these differences, we have the standard time. How the standard time? It is a uniform time based on the central meridian. In India, 82.5 is considered as the Indian standard time. This is the standard time, children. Here we have the meridian. This is the meridian passing to the Uttar Pradesh, Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh, and 82.5 east side of the India is the Indian Standard Time. And Indian Standard Time. This is Indian Standard Time, children. And we have the here. This is India. This is Greenwich Mean Time. And if you go to the east of the Greenwich Mean Time, it will add 1 day. And if you come to the west of the Greenwich Mean Time, we lose 1 day. So from Asia to, if you go to North America, you'll gain 1 day. And if you go from North America to India, we lose 1 day. This is the Greenwich Mean Time of India is 5.5. That is 5.5 hours. This is what you today learned, children. That is the different time differences. It is measured relating to the Greenwich Mean Time. That is GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. Then standard time, uniform time, is based on the central meridian. Is passing through the Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh, and in India 82.5 is considered as the Indian Standard Time. Now to the questions of last class, children. These are the questions. That is the name any 3 major latitudes. That is any 3 latitudes, that is equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. And which latitude gets the most sunlight? Equator gets the most sunlight. Which latitude gets the least sunlight? That is the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle. That is polar circle. It is also called as polar circle. And today's questions. Will there be a time differences between India and China? Will there be, first question, will there be time difference between India and China? Second question, why does a person need to check the time before calling someone in another country? Why does a person need to check the time before calling someone in another country? Third one, does every country have its own specific longitudes to calculate standard time? Does every country have its own specific longitude to calculate standard time? And fourth one, on what basis is the standard time of a region decided? On what basis is the standard time of a region decided? Can a country have more than one standard time? Can a country have more than one standard time? Children, this is the questions and we'll discuss the answer in my next class.